Hello everybody, I'm Lizzy. Welcome to Lizzy Loves Languages. In this lesson, you will learn how to count from 100 to 1 million. Are you ready? Let's go. In this lesson, we are still learning how to count in Spanish. Remember that the first part, when we were counting from 1 through 99, was quite simple? Well, counting from 100 all the way to a million in Spanish is also pretty simple. So, 100 in Spanish is cien, and ciento. What's the difference? We say cien when we're saying exactly 100 things. For example, 100 personas, 100 people. 100 libros, 100 books. But what happens when we want to keep on counting after 100? Easy. We will add the word to the word cien. This means saying ciento. So that means that after cien, which is the number right after 99, if you remember on our last episode, we would say cien, ciento uno, ciento dos, ciento tres, ciento cuatro, ciento cinco, ciento seis, ciento 7, 108, 109 y 110. Notice that we are not adding the word and or y. We are not going to say 101 or 102. We just keep it with the word ciento. So this will happen when we count all the way to 199. So, 199. Now, after 199 or 199, we are counting from 200 up to 999. But we're skipping from 100 to 100. This means that we're going to do 200 or 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900. Now pay attention to the following three numbers: 500, 700, and 900. For 500, you don't say 500, you say 500, just like we say 15 or 15. So you have that irregular. For 700, you don't say 700, like the word siete or 7. You go with 700, like if you would say 70. So 700. And the last irregular would be 900. Notice that you don't say 900. You go with 900, just like if you would say 90. So 900. Another thing that's important to note is that these 8 numbers that we just mentioned in the hundreds, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, y 900, they have both forms in masculine and feminine. It just depends on the noun that will follow. For example, if you say Personas. Hay 900 personas. There are 900 people. So personas is feminine, so you would have to say 900, not 900. Another example could be 500 personas. Hay 500 personas. Same thing if you have a masculine noun. Perros. Hay 200 perros en el parque. 200 perros is masculine, so 200 stays masculine. Now to fill in the gaps from 200 to 900, it's quite simple because we will follow the same pattern as what we did with ciento. Remember that we said that a number higher than 100, we would say ciento, not cien. So 109, 108, 110. For 200 and up, we are doing the same thing, except we're going to follow the pattern of the number. For example, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205. Same thing with 300, 301, 302, 303. All these 8 numbers follow the same pattern. Forming new numbers with mil and un millón is fairly straightforward. There is nothing different, and you will see that's so simple. I'm going to giving you some examples using these numbers. Pay attention. 1001, not y. We never use y. Just like with ciento, we omit the y. So it would be 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1500, 1686, 2001, 2020, 20,000, 33,000, 100,000, 483,000, 1,000,000, 3,000,000, 6,492,000, 8,841,000. Notice how these numbers, you're just adding the same numbers that you already know, and you will only add the word either mil or millón. Pretty simple, right? Now let's practice. I'm going to be saying a number. You're going to look for a few seconds, and then you're going to guess what number I'm talking about. Ready? 35,000. 186,000. 238. 552. 1583. 1,046,000. You can practice this by going over and over again through the lesson. It is pretty simple. You will see that you will get this in no time. All right, that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, please leave them here below. Until next time, adios.